The topic is experiments to demonstrate photosynthesis process. Now let us study about the activity to demonstrate the photosynthesis process. The aim of the activity is to demonstrate that starch is formed during the photosynthesis. Now materials required for this activity are two potted plants, a beaker, a test tube, water, a burner, a dropper, alcohol, iodine solution and a glass plate. Now let us study the procedure. Take two green potted plants, as only in green parts photosynthesis will occur, and label one as A and second as B. Now put them in dark for 48 hours. This makes the leaves starch free, as in absence of sunlight the leaves will not be able to perform photosynthesis and hence starch will not form. Now let plant A be kept in dark and place plant B in sunlight for at least 4 to 5 hours. Now pluck one leaf from plant A and one leaf from plant B and mark them as A and B respectively. Now boil the two leaves for 2 to 3 minutes in water, as we can see in this figure, that boil the leaves in water and now put them in a test tube. Now pour ethyl alcohol into the test tube till the leaves are dipped in it. So we put alcohol in the test tube and place the test tube in beaker containing water. Now place this test tube in the beaker that is containing water and heat the water of beaker till alcohol in the test tube it begins to boil. Now why we are doing this? Because by boiling the leaf in alcohol, its chlorophyll molecule it will be destroyed and the leaf will lose its color. Now take out the leaves from alcohol and wash them in warm water to remove the alcohol and place them on a glass plate. Now put a few drops of iodine solution on each leaf. Now we can see that two leaves we have got, which one we marked A and second we marked B, and we put it on a glass plate and put few drops of iodine. Now let us see the observation. The leaf B will turn blue black but leaf A does not. So the conclusion of this experiment is that plant B has starch and that is why it has turned blue black, because in presence of iodine when it reacts with starch it turns blue black, but not in plant A. So plant A will not show blue black color on putting iodine. This is because photosynthesis occurred in plant B because it was kept in sunlight, but not in plant A as it was kept in dark. So this shows that starch is formed during photosynthesis. So photosynthesis occurred in plant B because it was kept in light, and when light is there, photosynthesis takes place, and by the process of photosynthesis, glucose is formed which is later converted to starch. Thus, when plant B was kept in sunlight, it performed photosynthesis and starch was formed, which on reaction with iodine it showed blue black color. So therefore, it shows that starch is formed during the photosynthesis process. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you.